You wake up. You already feel tired. Not physically, but mentally. You tell yourself, today I'll be productive. You sit down, open your phone, scroll a little, and suddenly hours are gone. Now you feel guilty. You call yourself lazy. You promise, tomorrow I'll do better. But tomorrow feels exactly the same. Here's the truth no one tells you. You're not lazy. You're just mentally exhausted.
And once you understand this, everything starts to make sense. Because laziness and exhaustion look the same on the outside, but they come from completely different places.
Lazy people don't care, but you do care. That's why you feel bad after wasting time. That's why you overthink at night. That's why you keep trying again and again. So if you care, why can't you act? Because your brain is overloaded. Too many thoughts, too many expectations, too many unfinished tasks sitting in your head. It's like having 20 tabs open in your mind and expecting yourself to run smoothly. Of course you freeze. Of course you avoid. That's not laziness. That's burnout. Think about this. You plan your day. You make a to-do list. You feel motivated for a moment. But when it's time to start, you suddenly feel heavy, confused, distracted. So you pick the easiest escape: YouTube, Instagram, random videos. Not because you're weak, but because your brain is begging for relief.
Here's something powerful. Your problem is not lack of discipline. Your problem is lack of mental energy. And you can't fix exhaustion with pressure. The more you force yourself, the more your mind resists.
So step one is simple. Stop trying to do everything. Right now, your brain doesn't need a big plan. It needs clarity. Instead of writing 10 tasks, write just one. Not the most important one, not the hardest one, just the easiest step forward. Because action creates energy, not the other way around. Step 2. Give your brain real rest. Scrolling is not rest. It's stimulation. Real rest looks boring. Sit quietly for 10 minutes. Go for a slow walk. Put your phone away. At first, it will feel uncomfortable, but that silence, that's where your mind starts recovering. Step 3. Break the guilt cycle. Every time you say, "I'm lazy," you drain your confidence. And when confidence drops, action becomes even harder. So change the label. Instead of "I'm lazy," say "I'm overwhelmed." Because once you name the real problem, you can actually fix it. Listen, you're trying to improve your life. You're thinking about your future, your goals, your responsibilities. That takes mental energy. So don't be so hard on yourself. You're not failing, you're just tired. And here's the good news. Mental exhaustion is temporary, but the habits you build right now, those stay. You don't need a perfect day. You don't need 10 hours of focus. You just need one small win.
So remember this. You're not lazy, you're overloaded. Clear your mind, start small, rest properly. And most importantly, be on your own side. Tonight, don't try to fix everything. Just pick one small task and finish it. That's it. Because progress doesn't come from pressure, it comes from consistency.